Hello, uh, I'm Lowly M, and today I'm going to give you updates of my channel. My channel is called just Lowly M, and that's me. I haven't been out for a while uh, because uh, my illness, sarcoidosis, and CSID, it's still hard for me to pronounce that and bring up in my head. It's only four letters, but it's hard. Uh, Excuse me. Well, what's been going on is I finally did go to see my GI doctor, not the new one, he's the regular one, but I changed over to him to get it closer place to where I live. Uh, but it didn't work out. Uh, all doctors are not kind and empathetic and uh, will look after you like you are their family. And this GI doctor wasn't, and I just let her go. Simply as that. This is my health and my life and my daughter's life. And I gotta take care of it because this is precious. Uh, Now, today, you will see that I have my locks here. I like them, especially with the big earrings. And this is my hair. And I think it's cute, adorable. Uh, and I'll be wearing my hair sometimes. You'll see it like this, or you might have extensions or whatever like this. However I feel at the time, that's what I will wear. When I first came here from another state, uh, I didn't realize how the weather would be on my hair, but I soon found out. Oh God, it started, my hair was so dry, so brittle, it was like twine. It was like, oh my God. No matter how much oil or moisture I put in my hair, it needed more and more and more and more and more. So after trying to take care of it and fix it and do this and do that, it was down my back. It was past my shoulder, down my back. I said, well, it's only hair. It'll grow back. So I clipped it. And it's taken time, but it's growing. And I keep cutting it. And that's fine with me because hair is the most important thing in the world. And if I want my hair longer, like my original hair, I just put on an extension, fix it up, and there you go. So that's how it's going to be. Like I said, I'll wear sometimes my regular hair. I just put moisturizer and everything in it, and my big rings and my makeup, and that's it. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. Okay, now what's next? What's coming up is my teeth cleaning for the year, and got a bunch of doctor appointments coming up, a podiatrist appointment, my, what do you call it, rheumatologist, which takes care of the sarcoidosis. and a bunch of others. Can't remember right now. Oh, my speech, and I have a barium swallow coming up because I have trouble uh, swallowing sometimes. And he wants to know what's going on. And also to, let's see, EGD, because when I went to the GI doctor, I broke down and I told him what was going on because I couldn't eat. And when I did eat something, it would burn my stomach. So he said he was going to do EGD and he would find out what was going on. So that's coming up. My cardiologist is coming out. But these are normal things that in my life. The doctor's appointments and the tests and everything, they became normal in 1998 when I was diagnosed with sarcoidosis. So that's no more for me, and I had to adapt. And some people might say, oh wow, that's awful. Well, maybe, but not for me. Other people are going through a lot more stronger things and awful things than I'm going through. I couldn't begin to tell you what kind of things because I couldn't imagine anything worse than what I'm going through, but there is. And I just have to adapt and take it in stride. And all these years, that's what I've been doing because no other things than what I'm going through. Yeah, I can't imagine other people going through this. So it takes up most of your life. If you want to keep with the activities of daily living, you have to adapt. And if you just don't adapt, you're going to die. Simple as that. And that's what I had to do because I wanted to be here for my family and for my daughter. And the years after my diagnosis have been wonderful. I watched her grow up and graduate, then go off to college and get her bachelor's and master's. I'm a very happy mother, and my life is wonderful. God sends you to things for a reason, maybe to make you stronger or be an example to someone else, whatever he decides. And that's what he's doing with me, and I really don't mind it. So, like I said, updates. The next that's coming up is my other show called Generational Wealth. And this episode is going to be on budgeting. And I have to schedule it and let her know because she's the finance person. So that's coming up. And when I get a chance to start feeling much better, the other show called Tea for Two. And it'll be about different teas and how they can help you emotionally, mentally, and physically. And so that's coming up. I believe that's it. So now I will say Take care of yourself and others. Subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you next month. Bye-bye.